Let's try something cool. Oh, facing the wrong way. Alright guys, today we are doing an install on a Raptor 250. Another video for our install series. Again, like I've talked about in the other videos, if it does have decals on already, you are going to need to use Goo Gone to get that sticky off. Just kind of spray it on, rub it in with your fingers, let it sit for 5-10 minutes, and use a squeegee, credit card, something like that to scrape off that sticky. That is your best bet if there's a bunch of sticky left on the plastics. And after that, you're going to want to thoroughly clean with denatured alcohol. This is what gets basically the rest of that residue off. Cleans up any foreign residues, basically gets the plastics ready for install. So like every other video, we're going to show you what we would advise stickering first, how to sticker it, what to work first, and go from there with the rest of the kit. So this black on black theme is going to look super sweet when it's done. We're going to get this right down here, right where we want it. We're going to pull tight all the way up front. Run it right along there. Run this middle body line. And just go down with it. Just work all that air down and out. And then now we will go up with it. Work this up underneath the seat. Alright, you can see there's a little bit of stress up here. So I like to hit it with a little bit of heat before you get too stressful with it. Pull it back a little bit. Just check all edges. We'll heat it all in after. Get everything installed, but we'll heat everything and make sure everything's secured down well. But that is the easiest way to do the tank. Might as well finish out this little bit right here while we're working the sides. Just kind of get it lined up approximately like so. Work body line down. Make sure it's secured down. Is it live?
It says it is.
Is it counting?
It's at 6 seconds, I assume so.
Alright. So on this one, it's a little bit tricky. You want to get your hole centered up on that. Just kind of pull tight. So go this way a little bit. Get your corner lined up once you get the hole. So we're trying to get this corner where it wants to be and then get in the hole, and everything else will just kind of fall into place. We'll work this body line right here, then we'll work it all down from there. Just try and work all that air out. Working this body line. And get this circle connected. on there. Alright, really not much design to line up on this guy. We'll just try and get it in this corner right here on that contour. Pull it tight and just kind of work it all in. From the middle out. Once you get to this right here, you're going to want to use a little bit of heat. Alright, so on this next one you're going to want to install this one before this one because it allows you to kind of play with getting the design and stuff to line up. If your kit actually needs that, this one doesn't look like it's going to have much to line up, really. Trying to get this to line up down here as good as possible. You can see we're trying to get these lines up here to line up as good as possible. That's kind of where it goes. Okay, so this one is your trickier ones. We'll get the tip down here, pull that tight, make sure this is all where we want it. Looks like we want it to go a little bit more this way. See, all that's it's tacked, but it's not stuck. So we're working that down, working this up, working it over around that, and then we'll come right down here with it. Again, checking the edges to make sure everything's stuck down. That is 100% the issue with graphics not lasting most of the time, is them not actually being stuck down around the edges. Alright, so this is our older hood template. It's still not bad, easy to work with. We have a newer one that covers more of the hood and allows you to make the number and such quite a bit bigger, but the customer wanted this template, so you know, we just do what we're told. This will still look good. Our new template just allows you to make the number and such quite a bit bigger. Yeah, you're tacking the middle, getting it all centered up. Just trying to work contour to contour, going up with it. Bubble there. Again, we'll work the middle first, go back down the side. Alright. Make sure everything's down. Alright, so we'll go and finish out the number plate area on this one. Just try and go as high as you can, then get that to line up about perfect right there. Looks like it's hanging off a little bit, so I'm going to move it down. Move it down over as much as I can. And run this body line right here, butt it right up to the hood decal. Alright, so the last thing you're going to install on this hood area is going to be these inner pieces. You don't really know where you need the design to go for the most part until you get everything else on. This is just basically a black design, so you don't have to worry about anything not lining up, but Get this right on the other side of this contour right here. Just kind of work it down. Try and feed the air through. Alrighty, so this is the last piece for the hood area template. It just runs on this, kind of running off this. Just trying to work it in there. Can't really see it on this all black on black, but as you can see, we kind of worked on the rest just to show you what all went down. You're good. That big hair is getting in the way. Alright, as you can see, kit is basically on, looking good. Josh is just going to finish out the rest. It's hard to see on this black on black, but it went on pretty good, pretty easy. Brand new Meyer plastics. Made things easy. Alright guys, as you can see, you need to heat down the kit afterwards. I know we've talked about that, but we definitely need to stress that more, is you need to heat that kit down. Hair dryer, torch, whatever you want. We prefer not a torch because obviously that's a bit excessive, but we have done it when we're out traveling doing installs. But if you have anything you're wanting to see us install, let us know. We'll see if we can get it here in the shop and show you guys how to do it. We're just trying to do the popular makes and models right now, and the ones that come in the shop just to make things easy. So that is it for this install. Thanks again. Shout out Josh.